Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor. Hey, this guy did a good job, actually, you know. You got these little scratches on this side, whoopee. You can vinyl line these for 13-15 bucks and get any kind of paint you want on the side of it. He's done a lot of work to this. It's a custom weld, I don't know, about 20-footer, I imagine. That was an inboard jet. He converted to an outboard. Pretty smart. He's got a good trailer. He put 2 new seats in, a control box, a new dash, put all new switches, put a Marina Dragonfly, put some new flooring in, put some doors in the back, electric downriggers, a wards down hose, which is right over there. And we did all that down at the Marina. And then he had his 9.9. He had this offshore bracket made. Whoever made it did a heck of a good job. And then he went ahead and had that extended from the bottom of the hole. So this thing should pop up, and this is a VMAX 90 that we installed on it. It's a 13x15 pitch. Horsepower is about 2200 when it kicks in, instead of about 45, 48. So this 90 is basically a 115. The way it's geared, you made a step on it over here, painted this back here. A lot of people are starting to do this. Well, the downrigger bracket, there's this wards down hose right there. Put a Yamaha 6x8 gauge in it, VHF, new antenna. Now he's an old carpet. I mean, this thing's nice. And look at all the room he gained compared to having that inboard in there that took up all the room. So more and more people are doing that, because by the time you buy a new boat, heck, it's cheaper to do what he did. And plus, he likes the boat, they ride nice, and now we're gonna see what it does. Boat Doctor out.